It's creepy, to be honest with you.
Really?
Is this the lower class seats?
Jesus. He's awfully ballsy in that thing. What's going on? Welcome to the channel. My name is Trey. Today we're doing Truck 12. A lot of it was shot with Gage's iPhone because I was having GoPro malfunctions. The GoPro has been screwing up on me a lot lately. Even with the weather getting warmer, I'm still having problems with it, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Trail 12.
What is it?
Corbin says it's a blue herring, a big ass bird.
Imagine how loud this thing is, dude. This is wild.
Did you see it? It just ran to the right. There's a mouse in here. Look it. See it? Did you see it? You seen it, right? I ain't tripping ball sacks,
There's a
man. I'm
mouse.
just looking.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
You guys trying to scare us?
Throwing rocks.
Huh? I didn't.
There's a mouse. I'm more scared of
You
the
didn't.
mouse
You
than
didn't
Jack.
see the name Jack?
Yeah, Jack eats ass. I said that.
Yeah.
Oh, now he's mad at you. Why'd you just say that? This is the nest right here.
This is where that dude sent off the side and was like,
Good to
go. All aboard.
It's creepy, to be honest with you.
Really?
Is this the lower class seats?
I'm like,
Yeah.
These are the lower class seats. This is the prison.
Yeah, walk down here,
That's
dude.
why the numbers sat.
Dude,
Oh my god.
There's the mouse. Where's he at? He's just chilling somewhere.
He's gonna jump on you before he's gonna do
Right? Like a spider monkey.
it. That's Jack.
He's looking for his cheese.
You see something that bad? What do you mean?
Dude, yeah.
This is not first class.
The ceiling's nice and tall, too.
What do you mean? This might be first class. Nah, first class. You don't see.
First class is where we were.
This train's not that old, I don't think, either.
Alright, we're in the caboose.
How old would you say it is? Mine push.
70s,
Push
if
on
that.
Jack eats ass. Oh, Jake. Oh, Jake. I'm sending it to Jake.
Find Jack. Oh, calls for a good time. Winky face.
Oh, I looked back. I
You
was
want
like,
to call
"Whoa,
for a good
did he
time?
go? I didn't see you walk by. I was looking at that.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, call that. Go ahead.
I was just in this train here and I figured I was wondering.
It's a cop number. I like how that echoed throughout the whole fucking film. I don't know. This thing's wild.
Turn it down. Turn the brightness down.
I was talking about his with the light bar. I was recording. I'm just
Oh shit, your battery's
light
down.
bar's on.
Jesus. He's awfully ballsy in that thing. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.